Okay, there we have it. Spiderman Web Shooters. And it looks awesome, it looks cool. I love the way it turned out. It looks amazing, and you can add this to your Spider-Man cosplay for any event. And like I said, it was cheaply made. I think the most thing that cost me on here was the craft foam, which was not a lot. It was literally a cheap piece of craft foam that I found, and with the pen cap and just the paint. But it looks awesome, it looks great. I love the way it turned out. There's a little red button there for the web shooter. There's your little button here so you can shoot the web. And I'd love to see what you guys also make from here, and it's going to be awesome, it's going to be great, and I enjoyed doing the videos. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one. If you wanna support us on our Patreon page, it will be very greatly appreciated. I'll put a link in the description down below, and you can follow us as well on our Facebook page, on the Cosplay Cartel on our Facebook page. Our Instagram, it's under Nordic Ice on Instagram, and our YouTube page as well, called the Cosplay Cartel. I'll put all the links down to our social media down below in the description. Yes, thanks a lot for joining us, and I'll see you guys in the next video.